Thinking about establishing your business as an LLC? Excellent move. Setting up an LLC offers a shield for your personal assets, helping to keep your home, car, and savings safe from certain lawsuits. Today, let's walk through the main steps to get your LLC up and running smoothly, focusing on Massachusetts, but the process is quite similar across states. First, selecting a name for your LLC is crucial. The name isn't just a label, it's part of your brand identity. Make sure it stands out, but also meets state requirements. In Massachusetts, the name must include Limited Liability Company, Limited Company, or the abbreviations LLC or LC with periods after each letter. It should be unique, just like your fingerprint, so it doesn't match any existing business. An easy way to check is by searching the Massachusetts Corporations Division online to see if your preferred name is available. Securing your domain name at the same time is smart. It helps establish your online presence and boosts your visibility in search results. Keep in mind, many succeed in securing the domain for around $5, making it a small but important investment. Next, you'll need to appoint a resident agent, someone or a service authorized to receive legal notices on behalf of your LLC. Massachusetts law requires LLCs to have a designated recipient in the state. This could be yourself, another member, or a professional registered agent service. If nobody is around during business hours, hiring a commercial service is a good idea. Companies like filingfox.com provide reliable services, scanning all mail sent to your LLC, and ensuring you stay informed of any legal notices, all for about $10 monthly. Plus, if you choose filingfox.com, they often throw in free resident agent services for the first year, an excellent way to safeguard your interests. After that, it's time to file your certificate of organization. This document includes vital details: your LLC's name, address, the resident agent's information, and the names and addresses of authorized representatives. You can file online through the Massachusetts Corporate Division's website for a fee of around $520, or choose to mail or deliver it in person for approximately $500. For foreign LLCs, those formed in other states but doing business in Massachusetts, you'll need to file an application for registration, Form F, costing the same. Creating an operating agreement is the next step. While Massachusetts law doesn't require it, having a written agreement helps clarify ownership rights, voting powers, and management responsibilities, even if you're a sole owner. Drafting this document prevents misunderstandings and will be needed when opening bank accounts or applying for loans. You can find a free template on our dedicated resources page. Lastly, obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This is your LLC's social security number for tax purposes. It's quick, free, and necessary if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Once your LLC is established, focus on separating your personal and business finances. Use a dedicated bank account and credit card for your LLC to protect the corporate veil. Conduct a risk assessment to identify necessary insurance, such as auto or workers' compensation, and don't delay setting up your website. A strong online presence helps customers find you and builds credibility. Finally, consider engaging a professional bookkeeper or accountant to keep your books accurate and compliant with tax laws. This saves headaches down the line and ensures your business stays on track. If you want a trusted partner to guide you through these steps, reach out to filingfox.com at info@filingfox.com. They provide expert support that simplifies the process and keeps your focus where it should be, growing your business. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and resources to help you succeed. Setting up your LLC is just the beginning. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Good luck!